So let's cover the basics of when it says to make one. So if it says to make one, we're doing an increase. And the increase is actually done right here on this strand. See how it's reaching over like a bridge? That's where you want to go. And you want to take this needle and go through there first. So let's do that. So carefully just come around, and I'm holding this from sliding off. Come around and pick up that. Just go right through. I'm doing the knit stitch for this. So now I'm going to go into that. So I'm just going to treat that like it's a regular knit stitch. It's a little awkward at first, so you can get used to it. And you just want to treat it like a little knit stitch. So I'm going in, I wrap, and I'm through, and I pull off. And now I've just made an extra stitch by doing that. So then you can carry on. So I'll demonstrate it one more time. So you go into the bridge with this one here. And then with this one here, like a knit stitch, just going in. It's a little tricky, at least for me. I'm a new knitter, as you know. And I'm just gonna go in, wrap, and coming around and pull off. And now I just made an extra stitch there, and you can carry on. This is how to do make one with knitting.